our missions team is wonderful because they're not just restricted to our associates or their families. They also support our patients and their families. They support the community.
We as police officers, typically don't have an easy time opening up to folks. We had that incident that happened last year where tragically, we lost one of our officers. And they came in and they helped out without missing a beat, without hesitation, without asking for anything in return. They were just there for us. And that helped tremendously.
Yeah, the mission team at Mercy Health Youngstown is really able to amend what they do based on the needs of the day, and that's why I find it so valuable. During COVID, the mission team helped lead our efforts with resource allocation. They helped in tragedies in offices in East Palestine where there was a community crisis. They were able to jump into the fray to help our staff cope. And I think that's something that we don't have in other healthcare companies, healthcare organizations in the Valley or nationally.
At my orientation, my hands were blessed at the very end. I had worked in for-profit healthcare for just about 20 years leading up to that. Nobody ever blessed my hands in a for-profit facility, and I could feel it, and it tied me immediately to our mission.
We start every morning with Chaplain Dan starting us off in prayer, and he reads a proverb or somebody's words of wisdom, and then he makes it real, and he ties it back to all the struggles that we face in healthcare every day. For him to set the mood and set the tone first thing in the morning, I cannot tell you what it means to everybody on that call.
The number of patient and family contacts they have are incredible. And we don't see that. All we see is the one contact that each of us experiences, and we think that was their event for the day. We don't realize that they're bringing that same positive energy to innumerable individuals across a very, very broad geographic area on a daily basis.
Partnering really on a weekly basis with all events that are going on in our Youngstown market. I have that pleasure of working with both Natalie and Deanna. Natalie, I like to say she's got an energy about her that is comforting and is guiding and just so supportive. And with Deanna, she's got this charm, this caring charm about her that is just irreplaceable. And then you partner that with Jim, who is just the epitome of leadership and supporting his team, and Jane, who really pulls it all together for them.
Every time I meet with Natalie, I feel closer to the mission. She's an incredible asset and somebody that I have a ton of respect for, and every time I talk to Natalie, I feel better afterwards. Not too many people like that.
I can't say enough about the mission team. Certainly Deanna Ford, Natalie Terry, all of the chaplains that provide support, not only in the clinical setting and making those decisions that are impactful to maintaining, very highly exceptional clinical care, but to the staff.
To our colleagues on the Youngstown mission team, thank you for keeping us focused on the mission that our Sisters of the Humility of Mary have given us so many years ago. You bring compassion in your work, and you've touched lives in ways that we can't even explain. Thank you, and congratulations on receiving the Continuing the Legacy Award.